Alright, here's a new furnace wired up. I just put this little thing in here for my thermostat, so when I flip this switch on, it'll come on. Well, I guess I gotta tape up the button too, so. It's not very goodly taped on there though. And when I flip that switch, this burner should come on. We can see how it's burning. As long as my tape doesn't come off here. I got this filter in here. It's goodly. Alright, let's flip the switch. But it looks like it could use turned down a little bit. But feels like it's got a good draft though, so that's good. I wouldn't be able to hold my hand right there if it wasn't drafting properly. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the little tank outside. My little thermostat setup right here. We've got the chimney up. I still need to put some sealer around the top of that pipe up there. Got a little bend right there. Yeah. We also need to patch this. There's a little hole right there. I feel some heat coming out of here. The blower should be turned on pretty soon. It should blow some nice heat out underneath here. Now we got some heat blowing out. Very good. Clean coming out the chimney. Here's the fuel setup. Fuel delivery. Just have your little tank here. I have to put some patch or something around this so it keeps water from leaking in. And also around here. Here's a filter right here. And we got a shut-off valve right here. You should have Firematic shut-off valves on these, but you know, this will do for what we're using it for. Same as this for the fill cap. I'll put some glue or something around this pretty soon, because I don't want water getting in my diesel. So yeah, just put a new filter in here. This is only the third time I've had this heater running, and it's doing really good, heating up nicely. I calculated it. Last time we used it, it ran about 43 minutes on a quart. So that's about, it should run over almost 3 hours on 1 gallon, which that's good. Got a 0.60 gallon per hour nozzle on there too. So the chimney looking good still. Yep. There's my little chimney I put on there. Looks good. Just gotta get some sealer right on that top piece with a storm collar. Gotta get some sealer on there. It's not leaking, but I don't want it to leak. So, yeah. Alright, it's blowing some nice heat up here. I got 90 so I can put it at the bottom and have a chute going into my room. So it blows some nice hot air in there. It feels really good from up here. Nice and toasty. So I'm gonna shut that off so I'm not wasting fuel. And yeah, I think that's about all. I'll be getting back to these burner testing videos. And sometime in December, I got my filter for that. I want to make a shield for the front of this too sometime, so, because I'm mounting my control over here. And this motor gets really hot while it's running. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. And have a great day. Turn my thermostat off here. I put that pipe there. I turned it back on. I want to see how warm it gets in here. It's already about 50, 55 in here. So let's run that for a couple minutes with that heat blowing in here. We'll see how hot it gets. I don't got that set up very good down there either. So not letting much air through as much as it can. Oh, that's nice and warm there. Oh, I like that. That feels good. Alright, it's going up past 62 now. So, I'm shutting this off. It's getting really warm in here. It feels good though. Nice and hot air coming out of here. Let's see. I'm gonna put this in here and see how hot it is. Oh man, look at that thing climbing. Man, that thing's climbing up over 100. I'm taking it off. That's getting hot holding it. Look at that reading. I'm shutting this down. It's getting too toasty in here now. Blow the rest of the heat out of there. It still feels really hot coming out. That's gonna be real nice in a couple of days when it's gonna be snowing outside, you know. It's coming. I see it on the radar. Alright, it's 4:30 and it's 38 degrees back here and 38 up there. So 4:30 now. Let's see how long it takes to heat up in here. From 38 degrees to, we'll call it 55. We'll see how long that takes.
The fire. And it died.